Hi everyone, Anna Brandt here. Friday, June 9th. I'm just here to go over a few things. I was live in my photographers Facebook group and I'm doing a quick video for YouTube, and those are my email list to go over a few things that we extended this weekend because I received a lot of emails over the week of things, offers that we had that expired and people still struggling to grab some things before they go away. Understand that I do have two memberships. One is AnnaBrandtMemberApp.com. That's available via the computer or the phone. We've had it for years. I don't know, 10, 11, 12 years. The fee is $99 for life. And when you're in there, you're in our membership site. That's a typical membership site. When you're inside, if I take you a peek inside, there's all kinds of things. We have members from around the world, and we have discounts for vendors, our ultimate vendors. We have 30-day growth challenge. We did that in 2022 and 2023. We have boot camps, art of maternity, videos, editing, guides, downloads, all sorts of things and content that is for our members. Okay. And so this is a membership site we've had for a very, very, very long time. Okay. So if you go to AnnaBrandtMemberApp.com, you'll see there's two prices. One is the $99 for life, and the other is our VIP membership. The VIP membership is $500, and it gives you everything included in our membership as well as discounts for life. And it also gives you a free retreat if you sign up by the 11th. So I'll tell you where that information is on AnnaBrandtEducation.com under VIP Retreat with Anna Brandt. This was signed up by June 8th. We'll change it to say June 11th because we extended it for the weekend. If you go in here, it is a one flat fee. A lot of people say, I don't know if I'm a member. They come here. You can see if your name's not there. That means we don't see a paid membership for you. And then these are all of the things that are included. If you subscribe by June 11th, you'll also be able to choose a retreat for January 2024 or January 2025. And that offer will be over June 11th. So again, it's Friday, June 9th. By June 11th, if you become a VIP after that, you'll still get all of the VIP benefits, but you won't get the free retreat. Okay, you'll be able to pay for the retreat, which will be $900. Okay, so now there's also another lifetime that had expired, and that's Belly Baby School. This is online courses, and a lot of people do get the memberships confused. We did take the lifetime access down and we put it back again. The lifetime access, not to be confused with the membership, gives you every course in existence plus anything new. You can enter in the coupon code last call and it will take off 75%. We had taken that code down. We've put it back up through June 11th, and then we need to get rid of that code. Okay, that code will give you any course or lifetime access for all future courses. Understand that on June 12th, we're going to remove that option again, and you'll be able to buy courses, but you will not be able to buy the lifetime access or future courses. Okay, so there's one more opportunity to do that, and you can see we have a lot of members that are super satisfied. You can log in and learn whenever you want. Right now we're on the social media and SEO bootcamp. There's 6 days in, there's still 4 more days to go. In addition, advanced maternity lighting working with gels is coming on Monday, and so we're super excited about that as well. In addition, you can do all of the other courses as well. So definitely take a look. If you missed it, use the code jump in. Other things that are happening, if you go to AnnaBrandtOnline.com and you go down to our workflow guide, we posted that this is 75% off for the weekend as well. If you need help on your workflow, this is a very good deal. If you add that to cart and then use the code SAVE75, it will take off 75%. That will also be through the 11th. A lot of people are saying, how do I know if I have it or not? All you have to do is go and log into your account. If you've bought something here before, you'll see that you own it. If not, this is it. It is separate because it's its own little guide, so it's not included in anything else. So definitely check it out if it's something where you're struggling with workflow. Other things to look, if you go to brandteducation.com, which is our workshop site, and click on home and scroll down, this is where you see all of our in-person workshops. Another topic of discussion has been the mini mentoring. That code is also back up. If you see mini mentoring 500 and you put add to cart and you put in my mentor, then that will take off $75. Okay, that code will also come down June 11th. The code is my mentor. Now that's 4 hours with me. You can do that virtually or in person. You can schedule for this year or next year. It is primarily in California, but if you're looking to add this to a location where I'm traveling, then you need to email me directly and at annabrandt.com and see if I have any availability in any of the locations to add on your mini mentoring. A lot of people say, what can I do for the 4 hours? You can do whatever you want. We can go over AI, we can go over newborn posing, maternity. Some people saying, can we do composites? Can we do editing? Can we do Froggy? It's 4 hours with you and me, one-to-one. We can do anything that you want. There's nothing off limits. So I highly suggest you check it out because that price is going to go from $500 to $600 and that code will be going away. It's June 9th. It's the middle of the year. And when I'm in the middle of the year, I like to kind of take stock with things and move forward. So I am going to be getting rid of all these coupons for the second half of the year. So this is your final chance. We do have Afterpay, and that's only if it's available to you. So when you check out, there should be an Afterpay option. If not, we can send an invoice to Afterpay, but again, you have to be eligible from Afterpay, not us, for it to work. I'm Anna Brandt. Any questions, please email me directly, anna@annabrandt.com.